How to make group chat on Snapchat. Let's get started. Launch your Snapchat. Make sure you have already logged into your account. Now, click on the Friends option given at the bottom left. Now click on this icon given at the top right corner. Now click on the option New Group. Firstly, give a name to your group. Now here you're gonna find your Snapchat friend list. Check in for the friends to whom you wanna add to this group. Then you have to click on the option Chat with Group. With that, the group chat has been created. If you want to add more members, click on the option Add Members and you can add it. So this way you are able to create group chat on Snapchat. If this guide was helpful, do not forget to like, share and subscribe. Thanks for watching.